ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, happy Tuesday afternoon. One of the things I'm really bad at, and I need to get better at it, but I never really, I don't know. Don't have time. Anyway, I did a while back an overview of the Eachine X4 stack, I think that's what it's called, whatever. And I had to modify the shit out of it to get it to fit into one of my frames. And then the weather went to piss, and blah, 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 blah. Never got a chance to fly it. Well, I don't know if you recognize this, but I flew it on Sunday, okay? And I have to say, I mean, basically what this is, you got the Omnibus, I believe, F4 flight controller, 30 amp ESC. And that all runs great. That's all good. And then on top here, it's got this RunCam split type of deal, which is, HD 1080p recording. And it's terrible. What I mean by that is the recording itself's okay, but the latency that you get in the FPV is just crap. I had all sorts of, not noise issues. I mean, the quad was fine, but these flashes of weird shit. At the end of this, I'll put the DVR footage after my rant here. Yeah, wasn't good, and the latency's really bad. If you're flying a fixed wing or something like that, maybe, and I'm not a great pilot by any stretch of the imagination, we all know this. Usually it's only the really good guys that can detect latency, but even with my piss-poor skills, it was very uncomfortable to fly. I'm running my CPL 2205 Green Cobras on this, and yeah, it was pretty fucking awful. I didn't like it at all. It was very uncomfortable. It was very kind of nerve-wracking. I kept getting these weird flashes here and there. Maybe you'll see them in the DVR. Yeah. What I might do is take this camera system out and put it on my wing drone and not even use it for FPV, just have it pointing straight down so I get some cool video. I'm not even going to bother putting up samples of the HD recording because I was recording it and it crashed, and the recording did not. I crashed because I hit the ground due to latency, and the recording did not survive for some reason. It didn't save it. So, yeah, I don't really care how nice the recording is. If I can't fly the fucking thing, who cares, right? So, anyway, that's that. Here's the DVR. I think it was $110, $105 maybe when I bought it. I bought it before it even came out. I haven't watched a review on it, I don't think. I know from my experience, the latency is just crapola. Just don't even fucking bother with it, right? So anyway, here's the DVR. Make your own call, but I'm taking mine out. And I'm going to use the flight controller and the ESC till it blows up, and then I'll just do something with the cam. I'll put a real camera back in. So anyway, kids, keep shy side up. Hope this helps. Bye.
Bam, JJ.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing.